At Skylane Optics, we are providing optical transceivers to the telecom market mainly, also industrial, and we are addressing medical markets as well. The idea is that we transmit electronical data onto fiber. We have a wide portfolio going from 1G up to 400G. The idea is that the development of the bandwidth and the demand on the bandwidth is increasing fast. So we are keeping up and helping telecom operators and all the core network to be up to speed to support that market. And for that specific demand, we have brought onto the table a new technology, which is the qsfp-dd OpenZR+. And that's what Didier, my colleague, is going to introduce as well.
Today we present the OpenZR+ 400 gig transceiver. This transceiver is designed for data center interconnection for long distance. It can go from 1,300 kilometers with amplificator, so it's correct to have reliability between two data centers, or even for operator to have a distance from their site location. This particularity of this device, it's using only one wavelength, so it can go on the future to open more bandwidth, for example 800 gig, probably end of this year, available.